Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today is Thursday, April 16th, 2026 at 14:02, and today we have our day 2 outlook to look at for tomorrow. And boy is it a busy one. Tomorrow we have an enhanced risk that encompasses parts of northern Oklahoma, eastern Kansas, western and north central Missouri, extreme southeastern Nebraska, western Illinois, eastern Iowa, and parts of southwestern Wisconsin as well as southeastern Minnesota. We have a slight risk that encompasses parts of northern to central Wisconsin, southeastern Minnesota, central Iowa, southeastern Nebraska, central Kansas, through central Oklahoma into northeastern Texas, northwestern Arkansas, southern to central Missouri, east to central Illinois, northwestern Indiana, and extreme southwestern Michigan. We have a marginal risk that encompasses parts of western Michigan, central Indiana, central Illinois, southern Illinois, south central Missouri, northwestern Arkansas, southeastern Oklahoma, through central Texas, going in through central Oklahoma, central Kansas, southeastern Nebraska, north central Iowa, and parts of eastern Minnesota and northern Wisconsin. So we do have those areas under a marginal risk for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. We have Kansas City, Wichita, Madison, Des Moines, and Overland Park under the enhanced. Chicago, Milwaukee, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, and St. Louis under the slight. And Dallas, Fort Worth, Omaha, Minneapolis, and Arlington under the marginal. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. Tomorrow's tornado risk, we have a level 2 tornado risk that encompasses parts of southwestern Wisconsin, extreme southeastern Minnesota, eastern Iowa, and extreme northwestern Illinois. We have a level 1 tornado 10% that encompasses parts of central Wisconsin. We have a 5% level 1 that encompasses parts of more of central Wisconsin, southeastern Minnesota, central to southern Iowa, extreme southeastern Nebraska, northern to central Missouri, eastern to central Kansas, and northern to central Oklahoma. We have a normal 5% that encompasses parts of northern Texas, central to northeastern Oklahoma, extreme northwestern Arkansas, central Missouri, and central Illinois. We have a 2% tornado threat that encompasses parts of western Michigan, northwestern Indiana, central Illinois, central Missouri, central to northwestern Arkansas, southeastern Oklahoma, into central Texas, going back through central Oklahoma, central Kansas, southeastern Nebraska, central Iowa, and back into southern to central Minnesota and northern Wisconsin. So we do have those areas under a 2% tornado risk. So we have Madison, Cedar Rapids, Davenport, Iowa City, and Dubuque under the level 2. Kansas City, Wichita, Madison, Des Moines, and Overland Park under the level 1. Madison, Cedar Rapids, Davenport, Iowa City, and Dubuque under the 10% hatched. Oklahoma City, Kansas City, Tulsa, Wichita, and Des Moines under the 5% hatched. And Chicago, Dallas, Fort Worth, Milwaukee, and Omaha under the 2%. So for the 10% level 2 area, we could see an EF3, and strong tornadoes are possible tomorrow. So EF3, maybe even an EF4 possible tomorrow. 10% hatched level 1, you could see also an EF3 tornado possible tomorrow. 5% level 1, we could see an EF2 tornado possible tomorrow. 5% normal, we could see an EF1 tornado possible tomorrow. 2%, we could see an EF0 tornado, maybe an EF1 tornado possible tomorrow. So please be mindful of that. But yes, we could see some strong tornadoes possible tomorrow. Here's when it gets also serious. Tomorrow's wind risk, we have a 45% hatched area for parts of eastern Kansas and northern to central Missouri and extreme southern Iowa. We have a 30% hatched that encompasses parts of southwestern Wisconsin, extreme southeastern Minnesota, central to eastern Iowa, northwestern Illinois, through central Missouri, and eastern Kansas as well. We have a 30% normal that encompasses parts of northern Oklahoma, through central Kansas, and we have also parts of southeastern Minnesota and central Wisconsin as well. We have a 15% that encompasses parts of central Wisconsin, southeastern Minnesota through central Iowa, southeastern Nebraska, central Kansas, central Oklahoma, into northeastern Texas, northwestern Arkansas, central Missouri, central Illinois, and northwestern Indiana, and parts of there's the reset, southwestern Michigan. We have a 5% that encompasses parts of northern Wisconsin, central Minnesota, central Iowa, southeastern Nebraska, central Kansas, central Oklahoma, back into central Texas, southeastern Oklahoma as well, northwestern Arkansas, central Missouri, central Illinois, northwestern Indiana, and western Michigan. So we do have those areas under a 5% tomorrow. So we have Kansas City, Wichita, Madison, Des Moines, and Overland Park under the significant severe. Kansas City, Overland Park, Kansas City, Olathe, and Independent under the 45%. Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Wichita, Madison, and Des Moines under the 30%. Chicago, Milwaukee, St. Louis, Aurora, and Naperville under the 15%. And Dallas, Fort Worth, Omaha, Minneapolis, and Arlington under the 5%. So, for the 45% hatched area tomorrow, we could see up to 90 mile per hour wind gusts possible tomorrow, so please be mindful of that. 30% hatched, we could see up to 85 mile per hour wind gusts possible. 30% normal, we could see up to 80 mile per hour wind gusts possible. 15%, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible. And for the 5%, we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible tomorrow, so please be mindful of that tomorrow. Going into the hail threat for tomorrow, we have a 30% hatch that encompasses parts of northern Oklahoma, eastern to central Kansas, and western Missouri. We have another 30% hatch encompassing parts of northwestern Illinois, eastern Iowa, southwestern to central Wisconsin, and southeastern Minnesota. We have a 15% hatch that encompasses parts of central Minnesota, central Wisconsin, southeastern Minnesota, central to southern Iowa, southeastern Nebraska, through central Kansas, through central Oklahoma, and going into through central Missouri as well, northeastern Missouri. We have in extreme northeastern Texas as well under the 15% hatched, as well as the 15% normal. We also have northeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Arkansas, central Missouri, central Illinois, and parts of eastern Wisconsin. And we have a 5% that encompasses parts of northern Wisconsin, central Minnesota, central Iowa, central Nebraska, central Kansas, central Oklahoma, through central Texas, going through southeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Arkansas, southeastern Missouri, central Illinois, and that's it. So we do have those areas under a 5% for hail tomorrow. So we have Oklahoma City, Kansas City, Tulsa, Wichita, and St. Paul under the significant severe. Kansas City, Wichita, Madison, Overland Park, and Rockford under the 30%. Oklahoma City, Tulsa, St. Louis, Des Moines, and Aurora under the 15%. And Chicago, Dallas, Fort Worth, Milwaukee, and Omaha under the 5%. So for the 30% hatched areas, we could see up to giant-sized hail. We could be talking about maybe 4, maybe even 5-inch hail possible tomorrow. 15% we could see up to 3.5-inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. 15% normal, we could see 3-inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. And for the 5%, we could see 1 to 2-inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. So please be mindful of that tomorrow. Busy day tomorrow, y'all. Going into the summary for tomorrow, it says widespread severe thunderstorms are expected from parts of the southern plains to the middle and upper Mississippi Valley vicinity, Friday into Friday night. Tornadoes, possibly strong, very large hail, and swaths of damaging winds will be possible. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. There's tomorrow's hail risk. There's tomorrow's wind risk. There's tomorrow's tornado risk. And there's tomorrow's Day 2 outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. Take today to prepare for tomorrow and maybe even tomorrow night. It might even go to when anybody is going to bed. So make sure you have your safe place set up for tomorrow night, just in case, since it might turn into an overnight threat. So therefore, I would make sure you have multiple ways of being woken up, whether that would be your weather radio, your phone, your television source, your internet source, whatever it is you use, and sleep in your safe spot tomorrow night. So those are just some suggestions. Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and I will go over this outlook again tomorrow morning when it becomes day 1. As Ryan Hall would say, this is going to be plumb wild. Anyway, have a great day, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.